A cool leather and wood tray for the dining room table or a reclaimed wood American flag for the backyard. Everyone wants to decorate their home with pieces of decor that sets their house apart from the rest. Everyone wants a conversation piece, but where do you get one?
In about 2003 is when I initially took a trip to Colombia and started importing home decor and working with different artisans over there. I was actually in the teaching field, worked in a middle school, coaching and all that, and then moved back here and realized that's what I wanted to do. Wanted to get out of teaching, and then started thinking about how I could make it work. And then in 2006 started a contracting business, which then fast forward turned into Restoration Oak in about 2010.
If you're looking for a unique piece of furniture or a one-of-a-kind mirror that you can't find online, it's time to visit Restoration Oak.
Customers will find really unique pieces in our store. Everything here is handmade. Everything has a story to it and a story behind it, because these are made by artisans in all different parts of the world. So we get a few things from Colombia, we get some things from Bali, a lot from Indonesia in general, Brazil. And each of these pieces are handmade by the artisans who really do a lot in terms of putting their heart and soul into the pieces. And you see that in the workmanship and the quality of the product. And it's much different than something that's mass produced. You can see the quality in these pieces.
When I started the business, started as being sustainable. So I work with a clay product on these walls. With paints, zero VOCs, just because being in the field and working as a contractor, the last thing I want to do is inhale chemicals and be around toxic stuff. So in my mind, I said, let's start with eco-friendly, over 10 years ago. And then when I started going to this part of the business, I said, let's continue it. And, we sourced reclaimed wood. We're in the process now of going from log to actual furniture from local trees in the area, and just keeping everything as sustainable as possible.
With the addition of their new sawmill, Restoration Oak can take a downed tree from someone's backyard and create something incredible, unique, and extremely personal.
The sawmill is going to give us raw materials, or any materials we need. We don't have to go through a middleman, so we can stop going to the lumber yard. We can make our own material. So I think if someone's going to come to us, they're going to get a quality product.
You surround yourself with things that you love in your home. And every time you look at one of these pieces, if it brings you a little bit of happiness or joy, then that makes us happy.
Ready to decorate your new home? Let nature be your canvas with Restoration Oak. Visit their website, restorationoak.com, or see this segment again at designingspaces.tv.